Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a 4-quadrant letter. This model just opens right up. Then you can write things inside of here. And then it's really easy to just fold back up. Now this is a traditional model. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami. And we will start with the colored side down. Next we'll valley fold in half along the horizontal to bring the top edge down to the bottom edge. Just make sure that lines up corner to corner, and then crease it all the way across. Now unfold. Now we'll valley fold in half along the vertical. So bring the right edge over to the left edge. Just make sure that lines up and then crease. And then unfold. Next we'll bring this top edge into this center crease. Just make sure it lines up all the way across and then crease it down. Then we'll bring the bottom edge into that same center crease. Now we can unfold both of those. Next we'll bring the right edge into the center crease. Then bring the left edge in. Now unfold both of those. As you can see, we've just folded a 4x4 grid. Next, we're going to just reform this fold that we already have. Next, we're going to fold down along this crease while we keep this one folded. Next, we'll fold in along this crease on the left. Now we'll fold along this bottom crease. Next, we need to untrap some of this paper, and then we're going to reposition it so that some of these layers are underneath, so it looks the same as these other three. So we're just going to take this corner right here and pull it out to the side. Next, we're going to push the paper underneath right here. You'll notice it just sliding in underneath that layer. So just keep sliding that paper in slowly. Then you'll notice this crease beginning to form. It's a crease we already have. So you can form that crease, and then we'll just be pushing all the rest of the paper underneath. Just like that. Now just go slowly on that last step, and it should all go into place. You can get faster at doing that after a couple of tries. But we are all done. And you can just open this up really easily, write your note, and then close it back up. And with a little bit of practice, you can learn to do that pretty quickly. But there we have it. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.